Hi, my name's Eliot Smith and I work at and co-own Pro-Moto Europe Limited. We're based in Surrey. We're an automotive technical training establishment and we specialise in electric vehicle technology. As I say, we're based in Surrey, just off the M3, junction 4, about 5 minutes from there, so really easy access if you want to come and do some training courses with us. We've also got 2 training stations nearby within walking distance, either direct from Waterloo or from Basingstoke. So again, really easy to access as far as our venue is concerned. As I said, we specialise in electric vehicle training. We do other courses, but I'd like today to focus on electric vehicle courses. Now, as we know, the industry has started to see a big pickup in the transition from traditional ICE vehicles to electric vehicles. So to give you some facts and figures behind this, okay, we've seen month on month about an increase of 34.2% month on month on battery electric vehicles for the car industry. So that now has established the car industry as a market share of 27.3%. So we're nearly getting to 30%. So every third car being sold in the UK is now a battery electric vehicle. So if you've any doubts about these vehicles coming into your workshops, then I think they're going to have to put to one side. If we talk about commercial vehicles, same sort of figures, not so much as higher figures, but the same sort of transition. So month on month, we've seen a 35.5% increase. We're giving a market share of 9.8, so nearly 10%. So that's an uptake from 7.6 this time last year. So every 10th commercial vehicle is now battery electric vehicles. Personally, I think that's going to be a slightly increase, or transitions can be even faster, because a lot of delivery companies, DPDs, TNTs will transition a lot quicker because it makes sense to them to do that last mile delivery system. Electric vehicles or electric vans do make sense. We go on to the used vehicle side. Now we're starting to see a lot more used vehicles in the market. Traditionally, it's been a bit slow, but we've seen a lot stronger as far as the demand for electric vehicles on the used side of things. So traditionally, people that can't afford a new vehicle are looking at used battery electric vehicles. So I know there are plenty to choose from. So we've seen a stronger market demand for that, which has pushed up the values of electric vehicles. So they're starting to see a strong demand for that as far as that's concerned. So either way, whichever way you look at it, we really need to get our heads around technology. And the only way really to do that properly is to get yourself trained and qualified in electric vehicle technology. It's really important to understand where you are with electric vehicles, and you can promote that as far as your business is concerned. Now, there are 4 national qualifications available, and because we're an IMI approved centre, we can deliver all 4 of those qualifications from level 1 up to level 4. What I want to do today is focus on the level 2, 3. It's a combined course. So the level 2 deals with the do's and don'ts. The level 3 deals with component replacement. So as far as that's concerned, the content is really useful for you. And that allows you to springboard onto other courses such as the level 4, our battery repair course, our diagnosis and troubleshooting course, our charging course, as well as our motor generator course. Okay. So as far as the level 3 is concerned, we deal with the concept and the construction of electric vehicle powertrain systems, the safety procedures, the do's and don'ts, and the equipment required for that. And of course, once you're fully qualified, you have a certificate to say that you're competent to work on these types of vehicles, and more importantly, replace high voltage components. That includes batteries, air conditioning compressors, PTC heaters, onboard chargers, motor drive units, and all the cabling associated with that. So that gives you a real good springboard into being able to promote your business and electric vehicle technology. As far as the courses are concerned, we have regular dates available for you. The best way to find out is go online. That's www.pro-moto.co.uk. Alternatively, you can send us an inquiry via email. That's inquiries@pro-moto.co.uk. And that email address is available on our website. If that all fails and you'd rather talk to us directly, then of course just pick up the phone and you can dial us on 01252 3777762. Speak to anybody in the office and we're more than happy to help to try and guide you through what you need to do as far as qualifications and training is concerned. So as I said, book online, email us, or give us a ring. All the other courses are available on our website, so have a look at that, and you can check online to see where they're available. So have a look at those. If you've got any questions, just give us a shout. Get yourself qualified, get yourself competent on electric vehicles, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Okay, that's us for now. Cheerio, bye.